pieces. You give your heart in pieces. It's hard to find when someone's lost your trust. Take your time. I know these things can take some time, but have your heart will never be enough. No, I want your Friday nights to Sunday mornings, your all blue skies and won't stop stonings. I miss you texts and drunk phone calls. Oh, I want it, I want it, I want it all.
Sino po itong nasa events na Bollywood and coffee outside still have and the mixed bowls. So mag-ready po tayo maya-maya ang Ninong and Ninang, secondary sponsors for our entrance. So thank you so much, and once again, good afternoon to everybody, and we are still waiting for our newlywed couple. Just enjoy the moment sa mga sakripisyo niyo po ng tatay para sa amin. Pangako ko po sa inyo na lahat ng itinuro nyo sa amin ay aking gagawin at tatandaan. Alam niyo po, nanay, kung ako po ay bibigyan ng pagkakataon na papiliin ng nanay sa kabilang buhay, ikaw at ikaw pa rin. Pero mahal, nanay. Nagmamahal naman natin.